everybody, my name is Karina. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious chile colorado. It's been one of the most requested recipes, so let me show you guys how to make it. Cheers! For this recipe, I'm going to be using 3 pounds of boneless beef chuck, and I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces, about this size. Once cut, I'm going to season it with 4 teaspoons of salt and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Make sure you get all the meat. Okay, just like that. Once seasoned, we coat the meat with 3 tablespoons of flour. Make sure you coat it on all sides. Once it's all coated, we set it to the side and start working on our salsa. My pot is set on high heat and I'm gonna add 3 cups of water. I'm gonna add 3 chile anchos that I've already cleaned and deveined, along with 7 chile guajillos and 1/4 of a white onion. We let them boil for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes. I'm gonna transfer the chiles and the onion into the blender. And I'm gonna add 3 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of beef bouillon. Here I have 2 teaspoons of dry oregano and 1 teaspoon of cumin. And last, 3 garlic cloves. Now we blend. Now I'm gonna start browning the meat. I set my pan on medium heat and I'm gonna add some oil. Oil is now hot. I'm gonna add the meat. Since my pan is small, I'm gonna be doing it in small batches to avoid overcrowding. And we cook until brown on both sides. It shouldn't take long to brown. For me, it's taking about a minute or 2 on each side. These are ready and I'm gonna transfer them into another plate. And we continue doing the same for the rest of the meat. I'm gonna add a little more oil and just keep adding oil as needed. I've set a separate pot on medium heat and I'm gonna add the sauce. This is a good time to check for more beef bouillon. Mine needs a little bit more, so I'm gonna add it. Okay, we give it a mix. Once the sauce is boiling, we add the meat back in. Give it a mix. We set the heat to low, cover it up, and we cook for an hour and a half or until your meat is tender. Okay, it's actually been 2 hours. I left my meat cooking a little longer just because I like it to be very tender. Okay. Guys, it smells so delicious. And the secret of chile colorado is in the sauce. It's all about the sauce. I cannot wait to eat because I'm already starving. Now I'm gonna serve myself. I like to eat chile colorado with some rice. I already have a recipe for the Spanish rice if you wanna go check it out. I also like to pair with some frijolitos y tortillas de harina. All right, guys, moment of truth. Like I said earlier, I'm starving. I haven't eaten, but I know I'm really gonna enjoy this with some tortillita de harina. My mouth is watering. Oh. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, ahora sí. Moment of truth. Cheers. Honestly, the meat is so tender. That's why I left it cooking a little bit longer, because I love when it just melts in your mouth. And there you have it, delicious chile colorado. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.